In the early hours of March 11, 2026, employees of the American medical technology company Stryker Corporation began their day like any other. The company, based in Michigan, is one of the largest manufacturers of medical equipment in the world. Its products, from surgical instruments and artificial joints to hospital beds and robotic surgery systems, are used in hospitals across more than 60 countries and help treat millions of patients every year. But that morning, something was wrong. Employees trying to log into their computers suddenly found that their systems weren't responding. Phones stopped working. Email servers were unreachable. Within minutes, it became clear this wasn't a routine technical problem. Stryker was under a major cyber attack. The moment the systems went dark, reports say the disruption began shortly after midnight on the US East Coast. Thousands of laptops, mobile phones, and Windows-based systems connected to the company's network began failing simultaneously. Across offices around the world, from the United States to Ireland and Asia, employees suddenly lost access to the company's internal systems. Some workers reported seeing something unusual on their screens. Instead of the normal login page, the system displayed a logo belonging to a hacking group. The group called itself Handala Hacktivist Group. Who is the Handala Group? The Handala Group is a hacktivist organization believed to be linked to Iran. Since emerging in recent years, the group has carried out politically motivated cyber operations targeting companies and infrastructure connected to Western and Israeli interests. Shortly after the attack began, the group posted messages online claiming responsibility. They said the attack was carried out in retaliation for military actions involving Iran, the United States, and Israel during the escalating regional conflict. According to their statement, the cyber attack was meant to send a message. The hackers made bold claims about the scale of the attack. They said they had wiped more than 200,000 company systems and devices, extracted around 50 terabytes of company data, forced company offices in dozens of countries to shut down operations temporarily. While cybersecurity experts say some hacker claims can be exaggerated, reports confirm that the attack caused a massive global disruption inside the company. Thousands of employees suddenly could not access their systems. In some cases, company devices were reportedly remotely wiped, meaning the data stored on them was erased. This is a different type of cyber attack. What made the attack unusual was its apparent goal. Most cyber attacks are carried out for financial gain. Hackers typically install ransomware, lock files, and demand payment. But in this case, Stryker said, investigators found no evidence of ransomware or traditional malware. Instead, the attack appeared designed mainly to disrupt operations. Stryker reported that the incident primarily affected its Microsoft-based systems and internal network, creating a global outage across the company's digital infrastructure. For a company with about 56,000 employees worldwide, the impact was immediate and severe. As the cyber attack unfolded, the company instructed employees to disconnect devices from the network while security teams investigated. Some major facilities were forced to pause normal operations. At one of Stryker's major technology centers in Cork, Ireland, thousands of employees reportedly lost access to their systems and could not continue their work. Because Stryker plays a key role in the global medical supply chain, cybersecurity experts quickly began monitoring the situation. Hospitals depend on the company's equipment, from orthopedic implants to surgical robotics. Even a temporary disruption raised concerns about how cyber warfare could affect critical healthcare infrastructure. The cyber attack didn't happen in isolation. It occurred during a period of rising tensions between Iran and the United States, with military actions and retaliatory threats escalating across the region. Experts say cyber attacks are increasingly being used as part of geopolitical conflict. Instead of launching direct military strikes, countries and affiliated groups can target companies, infrastructure, and technology networks, and those digital attacks can spread globally within minutes. In the case of Stryker, analysts warned that targeting a major medical technology company showed how cyber warfare is expanding into critical industries like healthcare. The investigation following the attack Stryker confirmed the incident and began working with cybersecurity specialists to restore its systems. The company said it was actively investigating the breach and trying to restore operations as quickly as possible. Government agencies and cybersecurity experts also began examining the attack to determine how the hackers gained access, how systems were wiped, and whether sensitive data had been stolen. As of early reports, the full extent of the damage remained unclear. The attack on Stryker is now being studied as one of the most significant cyber incidents affecting the healthcare technology sector. It showed how a single cyber operation could disrupt a company operating in dozens of countries almost instantly, and it highlighted a new reality of modern conflict. Wars are no longer fought only with soldiers and weapons. Sometimes, they are fought silently, through servers, networks, and lines of code. Because in today's world, a cyberattack can travel across the globe in seconds, and bring even the most powerful organizations to a standstill. Kindly subscribe to Dakistan Studios for more powerful insights. Please let me know what you think in the comments section.